Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 41 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is self control. So let's start. We are living in a world where everything is available by a single click. For example, if we want clothes, we can order it quickly and it will arrive. If we want foods, we can order it quickly. And if we want entertainment, we can see lots of thousand videos online. So everything is available. But my question is, why everyone is not successful? Why success rate is so low? Everything is available, every resources are available, every online coaching are available, then why success rate is low? Everyone believes that success depends on luck and hard work, but according to me, success depends on hard work and luck, but more than that, it depends on self control. In student life, students should understand how to control their mind, and our mind is like a naughty child. It doesn't understand what is good and what is bad for it. So it's our responsibility to think what is good and what is bad, and we should choose that for our mind, and that is self control. Our mind is a our mind can become our good enemy also, good friend also, or sometimes it can become enemy also. So it depends on how we choose our mind, how we control our mind. So today I have chosen this topic, self control, because I think that this is really very important topic to discuss about. Actually, I am in a preparation phase, and every time I feel that I am not able to control my mind, I am not able to do self control. So I thought that why should not I make video on this topic. So self control is really important. We should understand that our mind plays crucial role in shaping our life. Everything is available online coaching, online of material, everything. Then also we are lacking behind. Why? Because of lack of self control. And we should understand that what is making us lag behind. It's not our hard work, it's not our smart work, it's not our everything. It's our mind, it's our self control. And self control is like a muscle. More we work on it, more we develop good healthy mind. It's really like a muscle. And discipline is really important in self control. Suppose there is two students and one is scrolling reels. Everyone has got 24 hours, right? Then why success rate is low? In fact my parents also believe that luck is there in exam, but I believe that self control is there. I don't believe in luck or hard work. I believe in if I will study and if I will control my mind, then definitely I will get success. But it's really hard to do self control. It's really hard. For example, I make a to-do list everything daily, but I am always fail to complete that to-do list. I always fail to make a means at the end of day I am not satisfied with myself. So why? Because I'm not able to control my mind, I'm not able to do self control. And the person who is experiencing that can explain you better what is about self control and how we can manage it. So today I have researched about this topic, that is self control, and have got many good ideas that how we can stop it. We should build good habits. We should have pause for 10 minutes. For example, if I am craving for to eat pizza, I will pause for 10 minutes. That uh, after 10 minutes I will, or if I want to scroll reel, I will pause for 15 minutes. I will scroll later. We don't have to be slave of our impulse. We have to control our impulse. Then only we will get rid of self control. We will able to do self control to our mind. So from this I will conclude that everything self control is really important thing in order to achieve success in life, and 99% of people don't know how to do self control in their mind. That's why success rate is low. So that's all for today's video. Thank you, and bye and take care, have fun.